Alright, in this video we will try to make a progress bar at the top of the player, and if you see how it works, it's pretty simple. uh, this is our player, and at the top is the progress bar, which is pretty flexible because of these slider component. You can decrease or increase the value, and when we play the game, as you can see, the player has now a progress bar showing at the top of the player, and whenever it moves, the progress bar moves along with it. So to make it, you just have to go into the runner game object, and inside stickman for example you can simply create a UI and then canvas. Once the canvas is created, since we want our canvas to be in world space rather than as a overlay, we will simply press world space and then press the event camera here. In the event camera we will put the main camera, which you can do as like a code as well, in a code as well, but we will do it like this. Simply put the main camera here and set the sorting or ordering layer if you want to, but we don't want it for now. And then for the gradient bar, which we were able to found in the old canvas, if I check this, you will see here in the interactables, which is this thing, page interactables, you will see a gradient bar like this, and you will simply control D this gradient bar here and put it in the new canvas that we created inside runner, and this is the blank canvas that we just created. And now we will turn off the previous canvas, and or if you don't want to do this, you will simply copy this type gradient bar here, and gradient bar will automatically be shown like this here in this overlay kind of thing. You will press Ctrl D for duplicate, that will duplicate this game object, and then you will drag and drop it to new canvas that you guys have used, that you have created. And this is our new gradient bar at the top somewhere here, but we want it we want it at the top of the player. And one thing that you will notice that it's too big, so either adjust it through this right or height, or simply set the scale to down. So for now, to get its absolute location, simply put it inside cube, which is a position of a character, and now press give the value of 0 and 0 and 0 here. Gradient bar, now it sits at the top of the player, but the thing is that it's far big than expected. So in the w delta value, give 0.5, and in height give 0.1, and now you see how it looks. Now it looks something like this, which is a little smaller. So, and the scale is 1 set the scale to 1 and now, and then adjust the w delta and height here. So now it's something like this. Again, for better practice, I will say that you guys use scale to 1 for now, and adjust these values so it scales with proper scales properly without any blurriness or anything similar. So now you will drag and drop this back to the canvas, and now it's showing up perfectly, right? As we that is it sits on the top of the player. And now when you play the game, this is how it looks. And when you guys change the value of gradient bar from here, oops, this got let's change that height to 1. Height 1 looks great, I think. Yeah, it looks great. Even 2 looks great, but 2 doesn't look great. 1 is fine, I think. Yeah, so let's use this value for now, and this is very customizable, as you can see, thanks to the samples that we have done, that we are using, and it's not using any images or anything, this progress bar, which is very good for the uh, game app size. So we will now simply save the progress from here, and we can delete the previous canvas, and in the next video we will see how we can make this progress bar a prefab which we can use on the enemies and allies alike.